Hello, it's Peter again. We've recently moved into a new house, and when we got here we already had an established vegetable patch. Trouble is, we moved in the middle of the winter and it was very wet, and the dog kept running across the vegetable patch. I'm coming in with muddy feet, so we need to do something about this longer term. We had a look for a solution as to what we could do that was going to look fairly attractive but at the same time functional and keep the dog off the vegetable patch. So we had a look, and from a well-known supplier we found these fence sections. We've started putting these in now. It's very simple to put together, and I thought I'd just show you how we do that. We wanted a fairly simple way of attaching the fence sections to some posts, so decided on using these Metposts, which you could put a wooden post into here. We only wanted them about 80 centimetres long, so we bought a number of these long posts. These are 2.4 metres long, and they cut beautifully into the right length just by cutting them into three. Once you cut them into three, you end up with a post of that length. It's then a case of hammering it into the Metpost, then we can put that into the ground. And here we've got one post that's already been put in. Simply screw the fence to it, keeping that off the ground. We also decided to use a gate at one end, and we bought this as a separate section. I think I'm probably going to make a second gate out of some fence section that we've got left. Once we've got that in place, hopefully that'll keep our little dog from going onto it all the time, getting muddy feet, and from disturbing the vegetables. So I'm going to get on with that and see if I can finish that off in the next day or two. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.